We're going to be working on our shiner pattern. We're going to be doing that on a pre-Rapala wiggle wart. This was a fairly simple pattern compared to all the previous ones we've done as far as colors. We're going to base coat of white, which I've already got the white and the pearl white on the bait. Okay, so following that, we're obviously just going to do some black down the back. I do want to put just a little bit of scaling. I need to get some of this made up on my hoops so I can hold the stinking stuff. Now I want the cheeks to be gold. And we're going to spritz a little of that gold over the black on the back as well. That gold seems to be kind of thin. Cut that pressure back a little bit, way too high. Where's my gold going? Stir that up. Now these wiggle warts don't have gill plates, so I really like the details of the gill plates on this particular pattern, and but it all works. It worked just fine. And we gotta add just a little bit of copper. I don't want a lot of it. Just gonna put a little bit of copper up here at the top. Just some hints. Behind the eye and the top of that gill. There we go. And we want to do a little black. Well, I got the black, do a little shed dot. Now we need our iridescent. Let me find my. Yeah, I can paint it, but I got one. Looking for my little line guide. I've got. There we go. We'll use this one. Just a little mask to help me stay in line here. We're going to come in with our iridescence color and silver. Okay. A little bit of that yellow line across there. Doesn't take a whole lot. And that's our shiner pattern. Gold, a little copper, iridescent yellow, and white pearls. So all I got to do on the I was about to say we're done, but let me get these eyes done too. We've got to come back in with our Quicksilver Chrome. No, this one. And color those eyes in. Man, that stuff works great. If you want a silver eye, of course I've got gold. Sweet. Add a little more black to it, and we will have the shiner pattern completed. What do you guys think about shad patterns on wiggle warts? I'd like to hear some comments. It's something that I don't throw a lot of. I probably need to get to throwing more of it. I don't know. I'm interested to see what you guys out there say if you're big wiggle wart users. What you do, or if it's just straight crawl patterns when you're throwing a wiggle wart. Oh, and again, we forgot the name under here. The last couple of times I've painted these things, I keep messing up. Oh boy, we're gonna have red. Yeah, ain't much I can do about that, folks. I'm gonna leave that lip on there. So that was a metallic red one. This is my take on the old shiner pattern. Leave some comments. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And if you like this content, we're going to be having more of it coming to you real soon. See you next week.